How's it going, guys? My name is Dylan,
And I'm Cody.
and we're here at Red Rock Vapor in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Follow us at our social media sites listed below.
And today we're going over the Joyetech Exceed Edge. Below we have the colors available right now. We have the red, the dazzling, and the black. And now I'll show you what's inside of them. Alright, so I'll go ahead and open up the packaging for this guy. Take off the cap, take out the sleeve. When you take it apart, you'll find that you have your two 1.2 coils, your charge cord, some extra gaskets, and then all your instruction manuals, your warranty information, and all that stuff. And then I said two coils, but you see one here because we already have one set up. But this is kind of a pod hybrid system. So not only can you get new coils for the guy that look like this, but you can also get the new pods. We don't have them at the moment, but we will in the very near future. And they won't be too overly expensive. They're made to be replaceable after a long period of time, so they're gonna be pretty nice. And then I'll show you how the device works. All right, so taking this guy apart is pretty easy. You're gonna see this pod here without the coil at first. You're gonna unscrew the silver bit at the end, just lefty-loosey. Set them both down. Pop your coil out. Just a blister pack. Screw that into the short side of this insert. And at this point you would prime your coil and screw it back in. A bit of a left turn for it to align. There we go. Screw it all back together. And then when you want to fill the tank, you look for this black gasket with the little droplet on it. You pull that side, trying to leave the other peg in, and you go ahead and fill it up. Now if you find that it's getting stuck and not filling all the way, go ahead and take this peg completely out because it'll give you a second hole for the pressure to alleviate out of it. Then put it all back in, give it a couple of minutes to rest and soak, screw it back together. And this is what makes this different from other pod system. It does have a button on the bottom side of it. You press it here all the way through your pull like you would in a regular vape. And then you also have your LED indicators on the bottom to show you what your battery level is at and if it's on or off. And then the micro USB charge port here corresponds with the cord that it comes with the packaging. Give it a couple of minutes to rest and you're good to go. All right, so this one's primed and ready to go. We're gonna take a couple drags off it, see how we like it. So the first thing I noticed is the size of it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's not quite as big as a vape, where it takes up all your pocket and weighing you down, but it's not quite as small as the other pod systems I see, which I kind of like.
It does have good flavor as well, being that it's through a coil, not a pod, and I like that it has the button press. You get a little better hit, I feel. Yeah,
you're not waiting for it to know that you're hitting it, so it's immediate whenever you hit that button, and it doesn't have that lag afterwards where it's still burning your juice.
And it has the internal charger, so you don't have to worry about an external battery.
Yep. And the pod itself, it has enough airflow to get those more just straight lung hits if you're into that. It's really geared for those mouth to lungs.
You can find this, we have it in store and online in these 3 color options, and it's $30 plus tax. So thank you for joining us, and
We'll see you in the next one.